Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check Device Manager to confirm the biometric device is missing or flagged. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and make sure the fingerprint sensor is enabled. Do not change unrelated settings. Once done, sign into Windows with an administrator account and place the vendor's latest fingerprint driver package on a USB drive. These steps put you in a position to force install and repair the hardware pathway, rather than chasing software symptoms alone. Now you focus on the driver and service layer. First, uninstall any existing biometric drivers in Device Manager and check the box to delete driver software, then scan for hardware changes to force detection. If the vendor installer fails, run it as administrator and try compatibility mode for the target Windows version. Make sure the Windows biometric service is set to automatic and restart it after installation. This connects the driver to Windows Hello. These actions repair the software interface that reports finish by eliminating hardware and firmware causes. Check the laptop or sensor module firmware and apply updates using the vendor's tool. Follow instructions exactly. If problems persist, power down, remove the battery if possible, and check for a loose internal cable. If you're not comfortable, take it to authorized repair to receipt or replace the fingerprint module. If that still doesn't restore the sensor, use PIN or alternate sign-in. Troubleshooting tip: test a known good sensor module or USB fingerprint reader to isolate internal hardware versus system issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.